every engine on Sir Topham Hatt's railway looks different. Can you guess who this engine is? This engine is bright pink, and it also had a gold dome, a gold top of the funnel, and gold smokestack, and gold lamps, and gold linings on it. Have you guessed who this engine is yet? Here's another clue. This engine also has 4 bright blue wheels. This engine also had nameplates. There's only one engine that is bright pink with gold linings and blue wheels, and this engine also has a blue face. Do you know who it is? Yes, it's Shine. Hello, Shine.